What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Now, Pepe fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in the crypto. But Pepe, absolutely crushing it, man. Bouncing off from that bottom at 365 mil market cap, just around 2x up right now, you know, 70 to 80% up, guys. It is crushing it. It is making a lot of noise, man. $648 million in market cap. It's not that far away from its all-time highs from here, okay? And the next run could go past the all-time highs. So hey, I know a lot of people aren't bullish on meme coins, but man, I would get some exposure to this, man. I'm telling you guys, this more than likely could be the biggest meme coin that runs in the next cycle. You saw what Shiba did last cycle. It only makes sense that Pepe, one of the most iconic memeable memes in the existence of memes, is like, you know, will be the biggest meme in the next cycle, right? Because Shiba and Doge, I don't know, man. You know, people kind of tired of the dog coins. I'll be real with you. They're not really saying much, in my opinion, right? But Pepe is something fresh. It's new. It came out. It never saw a bull market before, and a lot of people say, hey, it's better to buy coins that came out, you know, around the same time the bull market begins or is about to begin. That's what a lot of people be saying on Twitter. So, you know, Pepe being launching around the time that it did and performing the way that it's doing, more than likely going into the next bull market, you know where retail investors' attention will be going. More than likely it's going to be going to Pepe. It's not going to be going to Doge and Shiba, because they remember those from the last cycle, right? Doge more than likely will send hard, but I don't think Shiba is going to perform that well, in my opinion, right? I could be wrong. But Pepe, since it's so brand new and it's a new shiny object, that's one thing I've noticed. Especially a lot of the degens in the space, they like new shiny, you know, the next shiny thing, right? So Pepe being so new, going into the next bull market, more than likely could outperform Doge and Shiba, man. We see Bitcoin crushing it. It was just at 31k, and Pepe is pumping with Bitcoin, right? When Bitcoin is going to all-time highs, Pepe is gonna follow, man. Because Bitcoin, like, let's compare market cap. See, Pepe is literally pumping with Bitcoin, and a lot of altcoins haven't started to do that as yet. A lot of altcoins are still like trending sideways, just waiting for alt season, right? But Pepe is following Bitcoin, like, you know, like, look at it. It's pretty much in sync with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is going to new all-time highs, Bitcoin is at 100k, 130k in the next, at the top of the bull market. Imagine where Pepe will be. 10, 20, 30, 50 billion. If Shiba went to 50 billion, Pepe could go to 100 billion, right? From here, how much excess would that be? How much excess would that be from here, man? How much is 100 bill? How many zeros is 100 bill market cap? Million bill. Okay, that's 100 billion market cap. From let's round it off, 650 million. That's a 153x. That's a 153x for Pepe, man. Even if you got $300, man, you times that by 153 in the Pepe. $300 times 153, that's $45,000, man. And you know, $1,000 obviously is gonna be $153,000, man, from a $1,000 investment in Pepe. Now this is the thing, right? I wish it came back down to the 100 million mark, because then it'd be much easier for you guys to get X's. But it never came back down to the 100 million mark, right? It came back down to 350 something, 360. 100 million would have been a great entry for it, but you know, even right now, I don't know if it's gonna do a retrace. Well, obviously Bitcoin is gonna shoot up, maybe go to 30, 35, 36k, and then pull back, you know, for a correction. So Pepe more than likely will keep going up with Bitcoin to that 36k mark, and then whenever that retrace happened, that'd be a nice time to enter. But Eva right now getting a bit of exposure for that initial move up to get some profits, in my opinion, would be a smart move, guys, because it's crushing it right now, man. And from Jason Klein, haha, I just saw that Pepe is top trending on StockTwits. And then most of y'all that don't know, StockTwits is a stock site where stock investors monitor trending stocks, right? An app mainly for stock talk has a meme coin on the top trending. Think about that for a second. Buy, right? 1 million followers for StockTwits, right? And Pepe is one of the top trending projects on StockTwits. I'm telling you guys, it's not Shiba, it's not Doge, it's Pepe, okay? Keep an eye out for that, man. From Kenobi, we busted right through 00146 and now looking to break 160. 5 hours until the Pepe one-day candle closing, and even if we close below 160, I'm expecting a lot of fireworks this weekend. Is the new support 0146 is the new support. Let's send it to 02. That's the next target for Kenobi right here. That's what I'm saying. Is more than likely gonna keep going up with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin gets to 36k, then has a pullback. That's when we're gonna see Pepe retrace. But right now, it's gonna keep pumping with Bitcoin, guys. So a little bit of exposure to ride those, get some profits, and then buy back in on the retrace. Hey, that could be something that y'all, that's something that y'all do, right? Obviously, it's not financial advice, right? But yeah. At one point, Pepe was up 95% during the last 7 days. Price action has cooled off a bit before the next leg up. If you're waiting for a good entry, this may be it. Pepe loves to pump on the weekend. Pepe will outperform Shiba and Doge this cycle. Swap for Pepe. And I really think that's what's gonna happen, man. Shiba, Doge, Floki, Baby Doge, all of those dog coins. Like, I think, a lot of these holders are gonna move over to Pepe, man. If it doesn't surpass Doge, because the Doge community is one of the biggest, it's gonna surpass Shiba, in my opinion, man. Like, it's gonna beat out Shiba, man. Like, also from the overall markets, we got some great news on why Bitcoin is crushing it. Breaking news: the SEC has just approved the first leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF. Volatility Shares says its 2x leveraged Bitcoin futures exchange traded fund will be based on CME Bitcoin futures prices, trading to start on Tuesday, June 27th, LFG. Trading to start next week. So going into next week, that's when we're gonna keep seeing pumps, guys, because as soon as the ETF goes live for Bitcoin, that's gonna be a lot of money trying to long Bitcoin that just flow into the market. A ton of money just flows in. They're gonna be trying to long Bitcoin, and guess what? Pepe is gonna be crushing it with Bitcoin, right? So this is huge news, man. These next few months, in my opinion, are gonna be super bullish, right? And because of the leverage Bitcoin ETF being approved from Wendy O, the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF will most likely be approved as well. It only makes sense. If the leverage Bitcoin is approved, BlackRock's ETF is going to be approved. Whenever the news drops for the BlackRock ETF, we're gone. It's bull run time. It's no more bear mark. It is bull run time once the BlackRock ETF is approved. So make sure y'all got y'all bags packed, man. I know projects might be up 50%, 2x from the bottom. Make sure y'all got y'all bags packed, man. Don't miss out. I'm telling you. The International Monetary Fund says countries banning crypto may not be effective in the long run. I'm telling you, man, from Crypto Crib. Guys, like, we see what happened with the BRICS, China, Russia, what they're doing, guys. It only makes sense. It's only clear that crypto is a future. The innovation of the blockchain and crypto, that is the future financial system. Even meme coins like Pepe. Future of finance. This project is as big as stocks on the stock market. When it gets to $1 billion market cap, it's as big as stocks on the stock market, man. And it's only gonna keep crushing it from here. I wouldn't rule out Pepe doubling what Shiba did in the last cycle. Shiba went to 50 to 60 billion in the last cycle. I think Pepe is gonna double that and go to 100 billion and be right up there with Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin sitting at 10 billion right now. I expect Dogecoin to go to $1 for the next bull cycle, right? Dogecoin is gonna go to $1, maybe $2, and Pepe is gonna be right up there with Dogecoin. It's gonna be Doge and Pepe that are the biggest senders for the next bull cycle as far as meme coins, in my opinion. Yeah. So take that what you will. Again, Pepe, meme coin trending on stock twits, not Doge, not Shiba. You know, and just covering it, man. Pepe, the next Doge, the next Shiba, guys. It's clear as day to me, man. There's too much people bullish on it, too much people that talked about it. Coin Bureau made a video on the project, man. You can't fade this one. Even a little bit of exposure, don't fade it, because in the top of the bull run you're gonna be like, dang, I saw Pepe, I should have bought some. Don't be that guy. I'm telling you. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also first link in the description is my Patreon. First link in the description is my Patreon, guys. Become a patron. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier for $25 a month. Get into the buy alerts and the sell alerts and my private Discord. I put out some plays for you guys. I let y'all know I'm buying this. Recently made a play. We're gonna check back on it in a few weeks, and I'll bet you guys, I'll be like, good guys, look at that. If you joined the Patreon, you would have just gotten a 5x, right? Trust me on that, man. Join the Patreon, link is in the description. Blow this Pepe video up, guys. Get it to 10,000 views. Like, comment, subscribe, share with the rest of the Pepe community, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.